Cohen Thompson, and I'm standing in front of the Thompson Studio House on Camano Island. Yeah, I consider myself an environmental artist, and my work is symbolic, and it's my connection. My whole connection with nature comes through art. I'm from New York City. I originally, and I was very afraid of nature, and I got my art education as a child by visiting museums in New York. That's where I saw nature. And so that's my connection with nature, is through art. That's like my beginning. So we've been on Camano Island for 22 years and involved with the arts here, and we are so excited about the Meyer Art Center happening. And so we have made a contribution to the capital campaign as our give back to this region for the arts, for education and perspective, and a place for artists to gather, and a celebration of the place that we live in, this beautiful environment, and wanting to merge environment and art together in this beautiful concept of a building that we're working on creating in reality. So we want to encourage young people in our time to be able to be expressive of their creativity, we have in our society, the arts are not necessarily really understood. Art education isn't, creativity in our children is just so important to our society and to the future of those children. So we see that as an aspect of the development of the arts, that the SCAC is doing so much work to bring the arts to the children in our area, and it's I think it helps people blossom.